Well, taking most of this down. Here's my little personal porcupine I'll have to deal with. There are nails everywhere, but it's a good piece of wood. There is no rot on it at all, so I'm very excited about that. All I need to do is, once I take out all these nails, which will take me a little bit, there's a little odd spot there that they cut, so I'm going to be cutting that. But once I get done with cleaning this up and nails out and sanding it slightly, it will be ready to be used again, and saves me a bit of money. What are we doing today?
So today is Saturday morning. We have been cleaning the shop, which is over there, and we have also been cleaning the yard.
Alright, so it's Saturday still, and it's about almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm wanting to call it a day here pretty soon, because we need to be going to a different engagement that we have. So the one thing I wanted to kind of show is what I have done and what's coming up with this. Alright, so I finished up with the frame. The only thing I'm gonna do is add a leg here in the middle, but I'm sort of debating on that just a little bit, because I do not want to make the bottom like that on this, because what I want to do is maybe put some cabinets underneath. I want to look to see if I can find some old cabinets I can put in there. The same with up top. The one thing I'm not looking forward to is having to drill into the cement block. I really just don't like doing that in general. So I'm not 100% sure how that's going to go right now, but I've run into a couple of small issues. So I was checking the level here, and it is perfect. I was checking the level here, and it's almost perfect. And then here is pretty good. Here is pretty good-ish. There we go. In the middle is really good. But then when I go all the way to the end, even though the level here is good, the level here is good. The level here is way off. And after I tried to straighten it up, realized there's a big gap. And the problem with that is actually the floor. I didn't realize that was going to be an issue, but it is quite a bit of an issue. At least it being absolutely straight. It doesn't necessarily have to be. It's just a bench. But I'm gonna get ready to start putting some of the surface on there, and all of that old hardwood floor that I had been saving, that I passed it through the, I passed it through the planer. Is going to surface that, and that's kind of the next step. After a little bit of cutting and nailing, I finally got it all nailed down. The only thing I need to do is nail these last ones, but I'm actually kind of out of nails. This is the only finishing nail I have left, so I need to get a few more, but I think it's looking great. And this is not all of it. There's gonna be, I need to put a leg there, most likely a leg at the very end, because I don't like it being suspended like that too much. So, but it's close.